and today we'll be making air fryer Parmesan garlic wings. And these are my ingredients. The wings, I already pre-washed them and cut them. The garlic Parmesan sauce that we put on at the end. My favorite seasoning and parsley. And a bowl and some tongs. That's all you'll need for this project we're gonna do. Okay, first is first. We're gonna cut our air fryer on and put it on 390, and then we're gonna set the timer to 30 because we like our wings crispy. Next, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna season our wings with my favorite seasoning. And we're just gonna open the air fryer. And we're gonna I usually put about 10 at a time. So we're gonna put 10 in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 10. And we're gonna let that cook. We'll see you guys back in a few minutes. Welcome back to Teresa's Kitchen, you guys. At this point, we're gonna pause the air fryer and we're gonna just take a look at our wings and flip them over. And then we're just gonna put them back in there.
Crispy goodness.
Yes, they're not crispy enough though for us. And we'll see you guys back in a little bit. And we're gonna look at our wings, and they are done. So what I'm gonna do is, I got me a bowl, your bowl, and we're gonna put the wings in the bowl, like so. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake our Parmesan garlic wing sauce up. We're gonna shake that up, and then we're just gonna give it a squirt, and then shake it up around, stir it around. And there you have it, Parmesan garlic wings. And we will be back so I can place my plate.